Hello, it's Will from IBCstuff.com. Starting from top to bottom on this. The first one shows a valve with a buttress thread. And this is the same fitting with a buttress thread. It goes on there, and as I said in the graphic, it's excellent. It's ideal, it's watertight, it's perfect. So the first of the three on the graphic is ideal. And then we move into the second. This shows a 2-inch NPT thread, which encourages you to buy a straight thread adapter for a tapered thread fitting. The answer is, in this instance, it kind of sort of will work, but you have to force it, and it is susceptible to leaks. And as proof, I want to show you how I do it. I can get it in there 2 rotations, but it's a struggle, and I have to go quite a distance to get it. Will it work? Probably. Is there a better way to do it? Yeah. In this example, if I had a 2-inch threaded fitting, I wouldn't buy anything online. I'd simply go to a hardware store and say, look, I need to connect a 2-inch fitting to whatever I need to do with it, a garden hose, a smaller pipe, whatever you need. There's no reason to buy anything online if you have this ending on your valve. And that leads me to my biggest one, which is the third choice on there. It encourages you to buy an adapter like this and thread it onto here. And it's confusing because it kind of sort of works, but it often leaks, which is why every listing has 5 yards of Teflon tape with it. And the reviews say, look, I had to put a lot of silicone in it and it just drips a little bit. If you have a valve with this shape, there is one and only one adapter that I suggest you use for it. And that is a 2-inch Camlock fitting like so. And simply tighten it like this, and it will be a leak-proof problem solver for you. And it is the only thing that works 100% of the time. This might work 60% of the time. Do you want to take a chance on something like that when you're doing your own project? I say no, and there's no real need for it. And then finally, the fourth and final one, which I consider a terrible choice, has this ending to it. This is the infamous 2.44-inch outlet thread. A realistic term for that thread is British thread. It is slightly bigger than American, and it's not even relevant to this conversation, because if it has the same shape, all you need to do is simply put this fitting on it, and it works perfectly fine. There's absolutely no need for any other fitting. It is approximately the same price, and it is 100% effective. So that is my suggestion on the 4 that are on here. And you see, yes, it'd be wonderful if all 4 worked for the vendor, because clearly it does. He sells a lot of fittings. But the reality is there are better ways. Each one has its individual flavor to it. And for that reason, I created this channel to create better suggestions and encourage new people to use it the right way. In closing, I hope this was helpful to you. If there's any confusion, please feel free to email me. I'd be happy to discuss it with you. Will@ibcstuff.com is my email. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps.